For the Acro workout this month, we're going to be doing the front somersault. So using the rings, you're just going to do a front tuck. So the easiest version, you have the ring set up around shoulder height, bend forward, fold forward like you're in that back lever start position, that compression position. You're just going to jump up into a pike, into a tuck, and then you're going to come over into a pull-up. So you jump up, pike, tuck, pull up, release, go again. It is a good idea to move the straps out of the way so you don't get strapped up when you're doing it. So you want to make sure that if you speed this up, you've got good control with it. So you want to have a good pull up so you can control the rotation as opposed to just flopping over and overloading the shoulder. So as you make this a bit harder, all you're going to do is start here and then go down into it. So you're standing looking straight ahead and then you fold, jump, and pull up. To make it harder and harder, you start to make it more like a vertical jump and then into that tuck, pulling yourself up. So here, so trying to feel that nice position and feel that you're jumping up and over, up and over, like that. You can make the rings a little bit higher than this, about eye level, so that way you get that feeling of letting them go at the end for the landing. Makes it quite cool. Focus on getting that nice tuck integration. For the second movement, you're just using a box and you're going into a jump pike. So here, just got it, hands on the box, and then I'm going to jump and pike. So I'm trying to compress right up to get that same position at the top. Then we're going into a step, a hurdle into a vertical jump. So for this one, you're standing back. Then you can just do a basic one where you're just going to skip off one leg, jump up. So your arm swings as your knee forward. So as that knee comes forward, the arms swing. As you land on both feet, your hands are already above, and it's like you're throwing a ball. Then you can do a bit more of a jump into it. And when you're doing that, what you're aiming to do is feel that nice drive. Feel that throw. So you're getting that nice action and getting that release. Quite a cool movement. It is a bit scary to put the whole thing together. If you've got a nice crash mat or something, or you train somewhere that it's nice and safe, then give it a go. But I would recommend working on these, making each of these really easy, nice control, so you feel that you're getting that nice vertical drive as you come forward and those arms come up. When you're getting this, you can stand, do it comfortably. On the jump pike, you can do that well and get that nice compression. They are all skill movements, so don't get too fatigued. Work a couple of reps, move on to the next one. You can circuit them, but don't overdo it, don't max out, don't get to the point where you're getting fatigued and your form drops away. Enjoy.